Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join official Beluga server on Discord. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search share Discord. And first step you need to update your Discord application because this feature is not available in the previous version. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open browser and search share Beluga Discord like I am doing. Okay, and then you need to click on the first link, and now it is redirecting, and then you need to click on accept invite, and now you can see that you have to you can see that you are in Beluga and now you are added. So this is a process by which you can join official Beluga server. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.